Hey guys, I am at the Goodwill Outlet bins. Let's go in, let's go digging. It's pretty empty here today, which is very unusual. It's the middle of the day, but maybe that means it's lots of goodies. Y'all know I saw this from a mile away. Oh, look how big this is. It's very floppy though. I'm gonna put this in my car and think about it. It does have that, but I feel like that could be fixed. This is a huge basket. Okay, put that in there. Christmas ornaments. What's this piece over here? This little angel, she's cute, but look, her head has fallen off at some point. I'll leave her here. Some florals over there. Not good ones. Leave those here. So if you haven't been to the bins before, it's all of these blue bins full of stuff, and they wheel out some new ones all day long, and then they have these walls of bins as well. That's where I'm headed to because that's my favorite part to dig through. Okay, this basket is really cute, but I'm gonna leave it here because it just will not even kind of stand up on its own. So I think even when it's filled with blankets or whatever, it's still just not going to look right. So I'm gonna leave it here. It's a little picture frame holder. Oh, this is cute. It's from the Cracker Barrel. That'd be a good little mystery box item. Only had 4 mystery box in the last vintage drop, so I really need to find some stuff. Okay, I think this is cute. It's obviously a lid to something, but I think that's cute just on its own, just as a piece of decor. You could even hang it on the wall. I love this. I think that might be another little good mystery box item. Here's a cute little chicken wire basket with a little wooden handle. I wonder if I put this outside for a little while, if it would rust over. It's a great size, but I think if it was white and chippy and rusty, that'd be really cute. There's some tins. Oh, look at this one. I like the lid on it. That's cute. It says, I'm not sure. I can't read that. I don't know. Should I get this one? Got a teddy bear. Got a little angel. Oh, here's another one. Oh, maybe if I put these two together. Look at the top on this one. It's really cute. Okay, I think since these look so similar, I can sell them as a set. So I think I'm gonna get both of them. Got another tin in here. It's interesting. I've never seen a tin like this. It has feet. It has little handles on it. The colors are definitely not my style. It says it was made in Western Germany. Should I rescue this piece? I'm gonna put the tins in my cart, but y'all let me know what y'all think about them. Here's some Christmas trees. I know that these are from Walmart because I actually bought some of them last year, and there's 3 of them. I want to say mine was smaller though. It's super cute. I'm gonna grab all 3 of these. Just a little brush. It's a pretty gold color. Love this. I wish they had the mirror with it, but I don't see the mirror. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they were actually from Target Dollar Spot. They were $1. I really like them. Y'all, look how precious this plate is that I found. It says Christmas Village Kids Collection, made by Chelsea's Born in 5th grade in Chesapeake, Virginia. How could somebody donate this precious thing? It is definitely coming home with me. I love this so much. Look at this little peach, how adorable. It almost looks real. This is a really good faux fruit. I'm definitely getting that. Ooh, what is this? It's a box. It has like a mountain scene on it. It is very, very shallow. What do y'all think went in this box? I love the look of it, and I could either leave this mountain scene or I could put something over it. I don't know. Now let me know what y'all think about this, if I should leave it as is, and definitely let me know if you know what went in here. so shallow. Here's some pumpkins. Oh, they're made of that fabric. What is it called? I think it's boucle or something like this. I don't want these, but my neighbor loved these. It's definitely her color scheme. So I'm gonna get these 3. Oh, look, little orange chenille. I'm gonna get this one, but I might keep this one for myself. They have a lot of glassware up here today, and they have this little shabby chic angel. She even has a little card on her, but I've bought these before and they take forever to sell. It's just not a good seller for me, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. Oh, that's cute. Ren does not need another backpack though. Picture frame. Looks like they're all empty. Some plates. Oh, what's this? What's this orange thing right here? Is that a pumpkin? Oh yeah, look at that. That's interesting. Oh, you know what? I saw one of these rusty leaves in the other bin where I got those pumpkins. I wonder if that went together. Is there another one in here? That would look good as a set of 3. Nope, I don't see any more. So I found the rusty leaf in this bin over here, and that's where I found the wooden pumpkin way over there. So I'm gonna put it back on the pumpkin. Look at this bedspread, how pretty. I love this color. It's kind of like a bluish gray. I don't even know how to explain it. It's very pretty, or it might be gray. I don't know. I feel like it's throwing off some blue tints to it. It does have some little small stains on it. Oh look, there's a big stain. But I think I'm gonna get it anyway and just sell it as something that people can use for DIYs, because the color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, how cute would this be to make little baby pillows? Oh yes, I am definitely getting this. I just found another wood pumpkin. Look how cute. And this one is actually missing a leaf, so the extra leaf probably goes on this one. But look how good they look together. Love those. Oh, and you could put the IOD typesetting stamp on it, right? Fall or something like that. All right, I don't think there's anything else in these bins right here that I'm interested in, so let's go and look through the rest of the store. I literally dug through the entire store and found nothing. I was about to go check out, and then they started dumping the bins. So they're dumping this wall and they're dumping that wall over there, so I have no choice. I have to hang around and wait for them to restock, and then we're gonna go dig some more. Waiting for them to restock the wall, I found this bin with all these amazing name brand clothes in my size. So I got, I think, 3 pairs of jeans, 2 regular pair, 1 black, this cute little sweater. This is a pantsuit, which I don't normally wear, but I kind of love this tropical pattern, and I figured, you know, for like 50 cents or whatever I'm gonna pay for it, I'll just take a chance. I got me a little Talbot's little denim tunic shirt. Love these. And then look at these leather Madewell sandals. How cute. All of this looks so good together. Definitely my style. They're almost done, but these new bins are looking very empty, so you have to stand behind the yellow line and wait for them to finish stocking the wall before you can go dig. All right, well, let's go dig. Look how empty. Like, what are they doing? Why are they putting out a bunch of empty bins? All right, I'm gonna put the phone down and dig, but this is not looking good. So far, all I found is these Nike rain boots. I think they're brand new. I can't find the size. It's probably in here somewhere, but it's zip tied together. It might be my son's size, but y'all, I Google Lens them and they sell for $150. So I can't believe nobody else grabbed these, because there's tons of resellers in here that looked through the bins before me. Oh, wait. So they have this piece right here, and then they have this behind here. What is that for? I'm gonna have to do a little research. I just Google Lens them and that's it. But they gotta be for something, right? Alright guys, unfortunately I did not find anything else in the new wall of bins that they put out. So I think I'm going to head out for today, since I have an entire cart full. So y'all definitely let me know what was your favorite item that I thrifted today. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent. Oh, I got a whole bag of stuff for Ren. This is perfect because we have a soccer game tonight, so she'll be able to play with all those goodies. And I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure. I will see y'all in the next one.